Hi, it's Icy of Icy Studio, and today I've got a bunch of art supplies from Life of Color and I would like to try them out with you today. So before I begin, I want to thank Life of Color for sending me some of their beautiful products, which range from gel pens, brush pens, watercolor pens, paint markers, acrylic brush pens. They also have art kits, and I'm very excited to be part of their newest product launch, the Life of Color Creative Journal. So let's have a look at the Life of Color products I will be playing around with today. So first and foremost, let's say hi to Life of Color's latest product, the Creative Art Journal. So what makes this journal extra special to me is that one of my great friends in the bullet journal community, Chelsy of Wonder Journals, designed the cover. Now let's have a closer look. So as you can see, the cover is a beautiful emerald blue and it is in vegan leather and it has a really nice texture. So this A5 notebook has Chelsy's design on gold foil on the cover, and it has black and white paper. There are a total of 160 pages, and as you can see, there is also an elastic pen holder. Let's have a look on the inside of the journal. So it has the cutest charm ever, which is a golden rainbow. So on the first page, you can write down your name, your favorite quote, and your intention for this journal. And having a closer look at the paper, so they are blank pages of 160 GSM thick paper in black and white. And you can also store some stationery or stickers in this sleeve at the back of your journal. So let the swatching begin, and we are going to start off with the dual brush pens. Let's have a closer look at the 12 colors. So I mainly use brush pens for calligraphy, so this is how I will be swatching these dual brush pens. I highly recommend swatching all of the pens or art supplies that you will be using on your journal, because I've made the mistake in the past of not testing an art supply out and then end up ruining pages of my journal. So swatch those pens. And not just compatibility, but also the quality of the color on the paper, how the color reacts with the paper, if that makes sense. So as you can see, the colors are really vibrant and beautiful on the white pages of this journal. And also the dual brush pens come with a blending pen that has a brush tip and a fine tip. Moment of truth, let us see if there's any ghosting or bleeding. None, which is amazing. So up next, we've got a set of 20 watercolor brush pens. So the Life of Color watercolor brushes come with a refillable brush that you can use to blend and mix your watercolors. I unfortunately do not know how to use this, which is why I messed up the first bit of the watercolor brush swatch. So anyway, I am kind of unfamiliar with watercolor brush pens, but you can definitely still use these for brush calligraphy. The watercolor brush tips are more flexible than the dual brush ones. I can definitely see myself doing watercolor florals with these watercolor brush pens. The colors are so bright and vibrant on the white paper, and now let's look at the next page to see if there's any ghosting or bleeding. So aside from the oversaturation I did, everything is all good. So up next, we've got the metallic acrylic paint pens. So I love metallics, and this part is going to be very biased because I am so obsessed with these 12 metallic shades. I love how 99% of these brush pens show up on both white and black paper. I just love how deliciously opaque and creamy the ink looks. Just look at that. Look at that. I just like everyone to take a moment to appreciate the beautiful metallic ink here. And shut up, this is not Gola, that is gold. It's not even Friday and I'm already in love. And just look at that. Look at that. Alright, let's check for ghosting or bleeding on the next page. I've stuck some black paper here for the next swatch, but as you can see, there's nothing on the white paper, so yes, I love it. These are my favorite metallic brush pens ever. Okay, so last but not least, we've got a set of 48 juicy gel pens, and they are divided into 5 palettes, which I will show you now. So there are pastel, neon, metallic, and glitter gel pens, and I absolutely love the container, the snappy things, and the dividers is just so amazing. So what I love about gel pens is that most of them show up on both black and white paper. So as you can see, as I move on to the neon gel pens, they don't show up as much on black paper, but they do leave a very subtle mark. And just look at how amazing the metallic gel pens look. I have no words. As I said earlier, I am a metalhead and I love everything metallic. So let's have a closer look at the gel pens. They were not lying when they said that these are one of the juiciest gel pens ever, because they are definitely very juicy. So anyway, I'll just shut up and let you see how amazing these gel pens look on black and white paper. And finally, let's check for bleeding or ghosting. Nope, not a thing. So finger hearts to these juicy gel pens, and I love them. Love. I love gel pens. I love gel pens. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and you can purchase your Life of Color products through the affiliate link below. A little disclaimer that I get a commission every time my link and codes are used. Thank you so much for supporting my creative dreams. And again, thank you so much Life of Color for sending over these beautiful and amazing products. Please check them out. They have a variety of creative products for kids and big kids. And I'll see you guys in the next video.